Morning everyone, here we are in Eden, our annual getaway here at Eden, and I'm standing right behind, in front of I should say, Stuart and Deb's brand new 6 metre offshore. Beautiful boat. I had the pleasure of taking these two wonderful people out some months ago and gave them a test ride, and lo and behold they've joined us this year on their brand new boat fishing trips. They're perfectly named for this couple. And we'll just run through a few of the things that they've decided to put on this boat that makes it something, you know, their own. They just make things their own, which is very, very good. You can see I'm standing beside black slab hull, decals on the side. He's gone for the swingers, which is, you know, these are the brand new ones, very, very good. Of course, the whole boat package is sitting on a easy tow trailer. Well fitted to these beautiful boats, and of course the towing ability of these trailers is second to none. So first of all, here we are at the back of the machine. Of course the most important part, the engines, and they've been very, very happy. Stu said to me when we went for that test ride that he loved my setup, and he's gone for the identical package of mine with the twin 140 DF Suzukis. All fly-by-wire, beautiful machines, the brand new Suzukis, there's nothing like them. As far as the setup for the 6 metre is concerned, it's a great package also. So here we are on the inside of Stu's boat. Now, straight away you can see that he's got the Edencraft bait board. He's also picked up on a little bit that I did with his slimy tubes, and he's gone one each side. I think, which is a very good setup when you're out wide, and I think it's just the way to go. They're plumbed up, same pump, magnificent. Stu and Deb are running out today. They're not going to stay in the bay, and look, he's already got his own slimies in there for a little bit of a bottom bash today in the live well. It's all the battery set up. He's got his combing rack for his rods. He's also got beautiful set of clears and a bimmy top with his rocket launchers on the top. He's got his work lights up there. Very, very good setup. You'll also notice that Stu's gone for a different little bit of a setup with his seats. Gone for the Escape configuration on the port side, and the skipper's chair has the wonderful suspension seats, which is a great idea. So here's the setup on the dashboard, guys. And it's important to have it like this, I really do believe so. The new setup with the 16-inch Simrad, again a beautiful setup with the Evo 3, easy to control, easy to use, really good package. Right near his binnacle, Suzuki gauges, got his sound system, he's got his electric anchor, it's all there. He's gone for the stainless steel steering wheel. Everything is just the way he wants it, and I think that's a custom boat. So I'd just like to finish off by congratulating the two of these wonderful people. And it was a pleasure to take them out. They were so excited, and they've ended up with this magnificent package. It's great to see them here at Eden. The family time at Eden is very important to everyone in the industry, and look, the whole family gets a kick out of it. I can assure you that it's a great time here. And what a great time for this couple to bring their brand new boat to Eden and get on the marlin, go flathead fishing, whatever they want to do, because it's all here. And I'd like to say thank you to the both of them, because it's a pleasure.
I wanted a boat, as I'm getting older, that I'll get home safely in. So if I'm going to go out and it's going to blow up on me, I know. You read all the reports and everything like that, you're going to get home with an Edencraft. So that's what turned me to buy one.